Hello, everybody. This is Froggy voiced just in case of American Newscape, joining our friend in the book Wrangler, Sarah Wisdom, bringing you Yuma County Library happenings. Hello, Sarah. Welcome back to American Newscape.
Hi there. It must be your turn to have sinus issues and froggy throat, and that was me last week.
Well, no, I think I sound good in a froggy voice, but most people don't. Sarah, what's happening in our libraries?
Well, we have just kicked off the summer reading program, so there are many activities happening at our different locations. These are just a few of them. One that I wanted to highlight is a virtual reality workshop that's coming up at our San Luis library. And believe it or not, it's so teenagers can explore careers. And I asked, how do you do such a thing in virtual reality? Well, they have a software program that explores manufacturing, hospitality, tourism, all through VR. And it gives students a chance to kind of see behind the scenes in some of these industries and maybe things they hadn't even thought of considering as a career. It just gives them an opportunity to see a little bit more, and they can decide if they'd like to pursue it further.
Well, that sounds pretty cool, actually.
Yeah, I wish they'd had something like that when I was in school.
Well, they did. Well, you did, and I had slide rules.
I probably still would have chose librarian, so I guess it doesn't really matter.
Well, you were destined to be a librarian.
It was written in the books,
There it was. Okay, what
pun
else?
intended.
What do we have? What else do we have, Sarah?
Well, we have a workshop coming up for aspiring authors on Saturday. It's happening at the main library, and we're going to be talking about how to really brand yourself as an author. The internet has changed the publishing world so much, and people are no longer waiting for that big offer. I mean, we hope it comes, but in the meantime, a lot of people are self-publishing. They're sharing their work online. They're doing indie author events, and so this workshop is going to talk about really how to set yourself up as an author. And we'll have a follow-up workshop a few weeks later about really marketing your books and getting them out to your target audiences. So this is just one workshop we're offering to our local writers, whom there are many, I understand. We have a lot of active writing groups, and who knows, maybe we'll have the next big best-selling author right here from Yuma.
It seems to me that writing has become the rage, and reading is slipping behind, and that really doesn't make sense mathematically.
No, no, it doesn't. Of course, I'm biased. I'm here at the library, so all I see is reading and reading enthusiasts. So I'll have
Right.
to take your word for it.
Well, no, and reading is indeed cool. So, what else do we have, Sarah?
Well, last but not least, I wanted to mention a fun event coming up at our Foothills Library. They are hosting a community jam session this Saturday. The theme of summer reading is all together now, so we've planned all kinds of programs that are for all ages, that families can come and participate in. So they are hosting a jam session. People are invited to bring their own instruments. There will be a limited number of instruments to loan out, and we're just going to see what comes out of this great jam session.
Well, that sounds interesting, but I'm more excited about that summer reading program now that I know the whole family can get in it and work as a team and get something
That's
accomplished.
true. Yes, absolutely. Visit our website, yumalibrary.org, for more information, or we would love it even more if you came to your local library and visited us, and we'll get you signed up.
Hey, that sounds like that's a wonderful invitation. All right, everybody. This has been Justin Case and Sarah Wisdom bringing you Yuma County Library happenings. Thanks for joining us. Remember, additional information and links provided in this video is read more. Today's the day to subscribe to this channel. Please support book wranglers, libraries, and librarians everywhere.